Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Framify components, not the sections. So you have to open a plugin, click Framify. So in the filter option, we'll find the components, click components. So we'll find a bunch of components in our plugin. So what you can do, you can just filter them out like sidebar, accordion, breadcrumbs, career cards, feature cards, mega menu, search bar, tabs, and toggles. We'll talk about mega menu later on, okay? Now, if you want to add sidebar, you can just use our sidebar collection. So let's suppose I want to add this one, click to insert. It will insert component. Now I'll create. Okay, now as you can see, this is our dashboard, the sidebar component. So now as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. So if I click here, it will collapse. So it is not working perfectly fine. So what do you have to do for that? I'm going to set its width and height to fix to fit. Fix to fit. Now I can also choose the responsive version, responsive close. Now it is working perfectly fine, as you can see. So if I click show UI, so we have to also set its width to fill. Okay, as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. So if I click here, it will open up a full menu for us. So if you double click an unlinked instance, you can customize this more. We'll find more option here. So we can change the text here. You can change the link from here. You can change the icon, as you can see. And you can do more of them, okay. In the same way, you can add multiple components. Let's suppose I'm going to add the service and just add this one. We're going to delete this. Okay. So let's suppose I like the service section, but I want to change the card. So what I can do, like components, if you come here, service cards, and I would like to add this one. So click to insert. And I will paste it here somewhere. Okay, like this. And we'll remove all of them. Set its width to fill. Okay, and I will add a gap here. You can change the image here, change the text, change the title. You can also change the icon. As you can see, you can also change the link. So if you want to customize this component more, so what you can do is double click this icon, this component, unlink instance. So as you can see, you can create a hover state. I think we have the hover state. Yep. So as you can see, this is perfectly responsive. So in the same way, you'll find accordion, premier accordion. We'll find sidebar, breadcrumbs. You can add the breadcrumbs. Like I will add the breadcrumbs in our article page. Okay, you can add them here. Okay, and also you can add the timeline cards, mega menu, search bar, tabs. Okay, in the same way, you can also add toggle for the pricing, for the dark and light mode. So you'll find different components here. Okay. So this was a short demo So how you can use Framify's components. I hope you like this video. And if you have any question, make sure you contact us at contact@framify.design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.